All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 1359 State versus Jose Escalante. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Melissa Albin for the state.
Raymond Martinez from Mr. Escalante.
All right, and are you Mr. Escalante?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
And we're here for a bond issue. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, and State, have you had a chance to confer with the defense on the request for a bond?
Yes, Your Honor, we're recommending $30,000.
All right, and defense, do you have witnesses? I believe you were going to call him.
Just him.
Okay. All right, could you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Say Manuel Escalante.
All right, you may proceed, counsel.
Mr. Escalante, first question is, how long have you been in jail?
Up
Roughly.
approximately a week and a half.
And at the time that you were arrested, were you working?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what were you doing for work?
Mambo's Seafood,
And what was your job title then?
dishwasher, maintenance,
Hourly rate?
$13.50 an hour.
Did you report your probation? Have you been reporting probation up until the time you got arrested?
Yes. I've been doing everything I've been supposed to be doing.
We'll get into that the next segment, but they've seen you recently.
Yes,
They've tested you recently.
yes,
Okay. Is there an immediate need for you to get out on bond?
yes.
Can you tell the judge what that is?
I just had my beautiful daughters born, my two twins. They're twins that were just born.
This month?
Yes.
And where are they?
They're in the NICU right now.
And so would you like to be able to spend time with them and make sure they're okay and help their mother, even though you've got this issue pending?
Yes, sir. It'll be a blessing.
Okay. And at the time you got arrested, did you have money saved in the bank? Was it difficult to even come up with a little bit that you did come up with to get you in front of the judge today to request a bond?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then you're gonna have to scramble and figure out a way to post a bond if she sets one for you?
Yes.
Okay.
And I still have my job there at Mambo's Seafood.
How long had you been there?
Few weeks.
Okay. And is that the first job you had in a while?
No. Yes, sir. No, sir.
So what were you doing before that?
I was doing my own self-business tattooing.
Okay. And so that's still available as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you and the mother are living together?
Yes, sir.
Good terms?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If-
So if the judge set the bond at 12,000, do you think you could possibly come up with that?
yes, sir.
Any questions?
Just a couple. Mr. Escalante, yes. I know you're not pleading true to anything at this time, and that's fine. But at the time of the new arrest that's just alleged in the MTR, were you working?
Yes.
And at the time of the allegations that are in the MTR, was your significant other pregnant?
Yeah.
Yes, she was pregnant. So that was before the babies were born.
Can you repeat that again?
She was pregnant on the day that you were arrested for this new #1 that's alleged
no,
on
ma'am, no,
October
ma'am.
14th.
No, man. We're going back and forth from the hospital for the NICU.
So the kids were already born
Yes,
when
ma'am.
this happened.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, I just have a few questions. So in the past, have you ever used any type of controlled substance?
In the past. Okay. Yes. The past.
All right, and in the past, what would that have been?
Xanax.
And what else?
Yes. Cocaine.
I'm sorry, what?
Cocaine. I apologize.
All right, and I think the last time you were here, you were saying you were going to go in the military and
that's
have
right.
your tattoos removed because
Yes,
they
ma'am.
did it for free.
Yes, ma'am. And I was doing all that and everything like that. I had went to the recruiting office on military, and I was talking to my probation officer, and my probation officer told me to wait on that because she was gonna go and conversate with him and further look into it, because when I went and told them how you gave me the permission and everything like that, they tried to tell me, oh well, you got to go to a different branch because the quota that they met was already over with, so I had to start the quota over in November when they start the new quota, and then they'll be able to accept me and further everything else. Because you gave me that chance, and I took off and I ran with it, Your Honor, and I was doing everything I was supposed to be doing.
Your Honor, may I say something?
Yes.
Normally on a motion to set bond, I would offer you the police report of the new offense, but the court summary summarizes it. So I was just gonna ask if the court would like to see that to understand the circumstances of the new allegations.
Any objection?
bond hearing, Judge, so you're allowed to.
No, I'm just, any objections?
I do object, but I understand also the rules allow it, so
Yes. May I approach?
I don't look silly objecting to something. I
No,
know.
no, no. I always tell people to do an objection because my understanding is that this is a summary of what someone read, and it's not necessarily the police report. All right. Is there anything else?
No, you're welcome.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to set your bond at $40,000. There's to be partial GPS for employment and medical appointments, waive GPS fees. There's to be no residing in household with minors. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. All right, thank you.
Will
Yeah.
that partial allow him to go visit the kid?
Yes,
Thank you, thank you.
all right. You're welcome.
This has the MTR and put some, I gave them both back. Okay. So.
Good morning,
All right,
Honor.
good morning.
How you doing today?
Oh, I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Good, just a little cold.
Oh, it is not cold in here.
Go down there.
Oh, yeah, I know. I always have my students take tours at the jail,
Yes.
and I know it is freezing, and I actually had them take a tour back there and where they house inmates, and I know it's freezing. Yeah, they tell me there's a reason they don't give people sleeves and they keep it cold.
All right.
All right, is this a motion to revoke?
It is that motion enters dictation. No, I'm sorry, motion revoked, you're right.
Did I
I
see?
think we're just set for the bond. I don't think the MTR was set today.
All right, but I still need to. look at
Sure,
this.
sure.
Yeah, it's set the bond, that's right.
All right, and I don't have,
I'm proud.
all right, thank you. Yes. Thank you. All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 1359 State versus Jose Manuel Escalante. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Melissa Albin for the state.
Raymond Martinez from Mr. Escalante.
And are you Mr. Escalante?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You were placed on community supervision on May 13, 2024. And you have been remanded without bond, and defense is here to request a setting of the bond. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And state, have you had a chance to review the defense's motion?
I have your own.
All right, and state, are you prepared to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
And have you all reached an agreement or no?
Well, I made I guess, an offer on a bond to Victoria, but I don't know if she was in agreement with it or not.
Judge, what I can tell you is, his original bond was 15, the state's recommending 30, we're asking for a little bit less, the money's a little tight.
All right,
Between
so,
those two numbers.
all right, so do you have any witnesses?
No, Judge.
Well, the court needs witnesses to determine
But the
if
money-
bond can be made or not.
Okay, I can talk about that.
All right, and then, of course, I will ask questions to determine what, if I set a bond, I will need to ask some questions to determine what conditions would be appropriate for bond. All right, who would you like to call?
I'll call Mr. Escalante, Judge, but before we proceed, the reason that the number one is circled on your motion is because I think that is not a correct allegation. It's probably gonna have to be an amended motion.
I don't know if the copy you have is the one I marked on, Your Honor. Yes. So the MTR currently alleges that the new number one is a possession, or I'm sorry, a manufacturer delivery PG 4 to 200. But in our system in Odyssey, it reflects that it's a PG 4 less than 28 grams, which is a state jail felony. So Vashon is amending it for us right now,
Mhm.
but it hasn't formally been amended yet.
Okay. All right, we can go off the record for a moment.